Hello guys, my name is Ankit and I was playing cricket for my company, and it was during August when I got injured while playing cricket for my company. So the physio there, he told me to go for an MRI, and after getting my MRI done, I talked about this with my friends, and one of my friends who has come here to BLK Hospital, he suggested me to go there only and talk with Dr. Deepak Chaudhary, who has a vast experience for correcting the sports injuries. So I came here and I showed him my MRI, and he told me that I have to go for a reconstruction surgery. So I got admitted here 2 days back, and the staff here was very accommodative. I did not face any problem while admitting to the hospital, and everything was very smooth. The nurses were very helpful, and the staff, as well as the staff, the food was very fantastic. After that, the doctor and his team came and they started my operation, and it was a very successful operation. I would like to say thanks to Dr. Deepak Chaudhary, Dr. Shiv Choksi and his team for conducting successful surgery for my operation. After this, I came back again to my ward where some other post-operative tests took place, and after that the physiotherapist came and she helped me to walk properly, and other things were given to me, and the doctor assured me that within 3 months I'll be back to my normal walking lifestyle. So I would like to thank BLK hospitals and especially Dr. Deepak Chaudhary for helping me to come out from this problem. Thanks a lot.
BLK Super Speciality Hospital, a passion for healing.